What's up, guys? Welcome back to another video. We are doing. I'm going to show you how to make like your own text channels. You just click here, and then it'll tell you if you want to do a voice or text, and then you put the name in. You can make it private by clicking that. Same way for here. Somehow you can do that. I forgot how you can make your different pieces. You can make events by just going to server settings and roles. But now I'll show you this. Like, let's say roles. You can make a role by clicking create role, which I'm not gonna do, even though I just did it. We're just gonna delete that role. But I've already made all these. You can put different people if you want to into those roles if they want this or that. And if you have a YouTuber in there, you can put them here and they can access all the private channels other than the admin channels. So that's actually pretty neat. I'll show you how you can do that. Let's say I'm just going to make a one here. Just put that. We make it private. You can, since you do that and you have these, you can do that. And I'll show you your members and also all your roles. But that's how you do that. If you want to put more roles on it, you just go, you see it, you see edit channel, go there, permissions. You can make it to where everyone can do it and all this. So that's basically all for this. See y'all in the next video. Goodbye.